Hi, this is Greg with 31 Events and Calendar Snack. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to go to full screen here. This whole video should not be more than 3 minutes. And here we go. So that said, this video is about Zoom and the ability to create RSVP codes for your landing pages and email templates. That said, somehow you want to bootstrap or get the calendar invitation onto your Google Calendar, and once you do that from Zoom, there's many different ways under Add to Calendar over here in number 1. Once you get it on your calendar, to get a calendar snack, all you do is invite us. That universal create address is create@calendarsnack.com in step 2. Step 3 is you've actually done step 2, and what we do is send the calendar snack back to the organizer's email address. And once you do that, you get these cool codes. So these codes here are for the multiple event landing page, which we stream all your upcoming events to one page, whereby somebody puts their email address on top of the email here. And once you do that, all these RSVP buttons light up, and these buttons here in the center, a person clicks and they receive the calendar invitation for the Zoom event. It's very cool, and then we track that data on the back. Now, the secondary way in which you can promote your Zoom events is by using the single event landing pages, which we have 4 of them pre-built. They're the white, gray, dark blue, and green. They're over here as an example. So the first batch is the multiple event landing page right here, and the second one is a single event landing page right there. With that said, this is how they work, in particular for a Zoom invitation. The Zoom invite, you grab the code for your particular email provider. In this case here, we're looking at MailChimp. You grab this code here, you paste it into the call to action button here, and when you send this out and a person receives this for the Zoom meeting, they click this invitation, they're sent to a pre-built landing page, which we build for you. No sense go building your own. And then we send you a calendar invitation, which we track on the back end right here. That's all in one simple step, takes less than 10 seconds, and then you can embed it in your email marketing templates. The workflow for the single event landing page is like this. Somebody actually receives this via email or off your website in some type of social media or email form. They put in their overall email address, they hit RSVP now, and the landing page goes to a pre-built landing page. We send the calendar invitation, and then we track that data on the back. So the big kahuna, or the big one we've been working on for a long time, is streaming all your Zoom events to one single upcoming event page in which you can share to anybody. That works kind of the same way. Someone goes to this event page, they put in an email address at the top, they click the individual RSVP buttons, and they receive individual calendar invitations for these events that have been streamed to the page. They get a small inline thank you for signing up right here, as you can see, and then we track all that data on the back end. So this is some of the data collected. As you can see, we have a reporting page for each individual calendar snack that basically claims the source of where they received and or inserted their email address, and they send out the calendar invitation and what the status is. When they do say yes, no, or maybe, we actually track the calendar receipt data at scale at a detailed level, and that means we do individual calendar snack reporting in Excel spreadsheets as well, or CSV reports under Get Your Report. That said, for every detailed Zoom invitation sent out, we keep all the data. All that data is collected in your dashboard. Every calendar snack has the ability to get to the dashboard via the email and or the organizer event. It's really cool. We encourage you to give it a try. And then in particular, the detailed event information is in the dashboard of the organizer, as I spoke about at a detailed level. You can see here that for this particular event, we had people accept, they were tentative, or they actually accepted here in the status. And then you see here down below that all these people accepted the invitation as a yes. Under extras, I don't think I'm going to go into that, but that's the end of it. Thanks for stopping by.